Ever wondered why some people experience unexplained, recurrent episodes of intense pain? Could sickle cell anemia be the hidden culprit? Sickle cell anemia, or SCA for short, is a serious genetic blood disorder that affects the red blood cells. It's an inherited condition whereby the hemoglobin, the protein in red blood cells responsible for carrying oxygen, becomes abnormal. This abnormality causes the red blood cells to stiffen and take on a sickle or crescent shape, rather than their typical flexible disc-like form. The problem with these sickle-shaped cells is that they can get stuck in small blood vessels, obstructing the flow of blood. This blockage then triggers a cascade of problems throughout the body, from intense pain to reduced oxygen supply and even organ damage. In essence, sickle cell anemia transforms flexible, disc-like red blood cells into rigid, sickle-shaped cells, leading to a multitude of health issues. The symptoms of sickle cell anemia are diverse and often severe. The most common one is painful episodes known as pain crises. These occur when sickle-shaped cells block blood flow to different parts of the body, causing intense pain that can last from a few hours to even a week. Then there's fatigue. Due to the abnormal hemoglobin, red blood cells can't deliver enough oxygen to the body, resulting in tiredness and weakness. Another common symptom is an increased risk of infections. The spleen, which helps fight infections, often gets damaged due to sickle cells. As a result, the body's ability to fend off infections decreases. And let's not forget other complications. In severe cases, these can include stroke, organ damage, and vision problems. In essence, sickle cell anemia is more than just a blood disorder. It's a condition that can affect multiple aspects of a person's health and life. While sickle cell anemia can affect anyone, certain populations are at a higher risk. The primary group affected by sickle cell anemia are individuals of African descent. This, however, doesn't mean it's exclusive to them. People with ancestry from the Mediterranean, South Asia, and Latin America also find themselves in the risk group. It's a worldwide concern, a silent specter that could be lurking in anyone's genes, regardless of their geographical location. Let's bring it closer to home. In the United States, it's estimated that around 100,000 people live with sickle cell anemia. That's roughly the population of a small city, all dealing with the effects of this genetic disorder every single day. So how does this information help us? Well, knowing your ancestry can give you a heads up. It can alert you to the possibility of carrying the sickle cell trait. Knowledge about one's ancestry can be a crucial step in understanding the risk of inheriting sickle cell anemia. Although there is no cure for sickle cell anemia, various treatments can manage symptoms and improve quality of life. This is the lifeline for many individuals living with this condition. The goal of treatment is not just to prolong life, but to enhance its quality, allowing individuals to lead fulfilling lives despite their diagnosis. Pain management is a major part of treatment. Sickle cell crises can cause intense pain, making pain management crucial. This involves medications like opioids for severe pain, over-the-counter analgesics for mild discomfort, and other strategies such as heat application and physical therapy. Hydration is another key aspect of management. Dehydration can cause the body to produce more sickle cells, so maintaining hydration is essential. This often means drinking plenty of fluids throughout the day. Folic acid supplementation is also recommended. Folic acid is a B vitamin that aids in red blood cell production. Since sickle cell anemia causes the rapid breakdown of red blood cells, supplementation can help the body keep up with the demand for new cells. Hydroxyurea is a medication that has shown remarkable results in managing this condition. It works by stimulating the production of fetal hemoglobin, a type of hemoglobin that resists sickling. This reduces the number of sickle cells, alleviating symptoms and reducing the frequency of crises. Blood transfusions are another treatment option, especially in severe cases. By replacing damaged red blood cells with healthy ones, transfusions can alleviate symptoms and prevent complications. Lastly, bone marrow transplant offers a potential cure, especially for younger patients with a compatible donor. This procedure replaces the patient's faulty bone marrow, the source of sickle cells, with healthy marrow from a donor. Individuals with sickle cell anemia can lead fulfilling lives. The future holds promise for individuals living with sickle cell anemia. Ongoing research is exploring new horizons in treatment, with gene therapy standing out as a potential game changer. This innovative approach aims to correct the genetic mutation causing the abnormal hemoglobin, essentially providing a cure. In addition to gene therapy, scientists are developing new medications to manage symptoms more effectively and improve the quality of life for those affected. These advancements could significantly reduce the frequency of pain crises and other complications associated with the disease. Moreover, the importance of early diagnosis cannot be overstated. Newborn screening programs are increasingly becoming standard practice, allowing for immediate intervention and better long-term outcomes. So, while sickle cell anemia remains a serious health concern, the outlook is improving. With every scientific breakthrough, we move a step closer to turning the tide against this disease. With continued research and increased awareness, the future for individuals with sickle cell anemia is hopeful. Sickle cell anemia is a complex condition that requires comprehensive understanding and management. It's a genetic disorder that alters the structure of hemoglobin, causing red blood cells to assume a rigid sickle shape. These deformed cells can obstruct blood flow, leading to a range of complications such as painful episodes, fatigue, increased susceptibility to infections, and in severe cases, stroke and organ damage. Predominantly affecting those of African descent, sickle cell anemia also impacts individuals from the Mediterranean, South Asia, and Latin America. Despite there being no definitive cure, treatments exist to manage symptoms and enhance quality of life. These include pain management, hydration, folic acid supplementation, medication like hydroxyurea, blood transfusions, and bone marrow transplants. Ongoing research promises better treatments and potential cures. Remember, early diagnosis and proper management are crucial, and numerous resources are available for support. Together we can improve the lives of those affected by sickle cell anemia.